Alright, now the arms, they're not that difficult, but it's when you combine it that you get confused. So, in the beginning, when you do prep, kick with your right, you want to say prep, and then when you kick, swing your right leg here, your left arm is going to come to the front, yeah, whoop, like that. So, whoop, whoop. From here, you want to swing both arms up, whoop, yeah. Let's just do that part. So we're gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, swing left, both arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, swing up. From here, whoop, they come down, and then when you do the switch jump here, you wanna say right arm, whoop, and then you wanna switch to your left arm. Yeah, so let's just do that transition here. We want to say up and right arm, left arm. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. It's just left arm, up, right arm, left arm. So let's just try that again from the beginning. I'm going to do it slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing up and jump, switch. Here. Alright, from here, you want to say both arms up again. Now you want to swing your right arm whoop here. And then keep it there until the end. Yeah, so let's just try that from the beginning. So this part, whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep. Left arm, both arms, and get ready to say right arm. And then left arm again. Whoop, and both arms, and right arm, keep it here. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, kick, both arms, get ready to right arm, whoop, and left arm, here, both arms, up, right arm, whoop, and keep it. So you just need to practice this over and over again until you do it fast. And it should look like something like this. Whoop, prep, jump, hey, ha, ha, up, and whoop, keep, here. Okay, so from whoop, ha, 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 push your head to the side here, and then you want to do a turn here where you swing your right leg behind and around. Yeah, I want to use my momentum here from this swing to turn me around, and also I'm pushing off with my left leg here to turn around. So boom, and here. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to do slow, but you want to lift your right leg, swing it behind this way, and then turn around. So whoop, you want to say turn around. Alright, the next part is similar to what we did in the beginning, which was da da da. Yeah. Now we want to do it to the opposite side, and we want to add something right before it. So what I mean is we want to take out our right like that, and then from here we want to say inwards, and then we want to bring our right to the side when we open up. Yeah, so I did. We are here. It's after the turn. I'm going to bring up my right, whoop. Then I want to do heel in, and then want to go to this side. Yeah, so my left is saying here, is saying toe, flicking my heel out so that my knees are inwards, and then it goes on my heel out. Yeah, so it goes from here, toe, heel. It's basically what my left is doing, my right is doing here, boom, and in. Yeah, so also on my toes, boom, and in. So taking my right out, boom, and in. 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, boom, and in. 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, boom, and in. Yeah, so we boom, boom, in. From here, we want to do the same we did in the beginning. Wah, 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 just to the opposite side. So the right is saying out, in, out. My left is saying out, up, up. So let's just do that part. We want to say here, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, 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 and 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, whoop, whoop. So let's combine it. So it's right, out, inwards, outwards, out, out, out. 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, boom, up, wah, wah, wah. 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, boom, up, wah, wah, wah. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, boom, up, wah, wah, wah. Now the arms are pretty similar, just to the opposite side. So now my left is up, right is down here. I'm saying boom, ha, ha, wah, wah, wah. And then I want to do this lean. So the left side this time, and then the next part is one. Alright, now the last move is a killer, so make sure that you warm up properly before doing it, yeah? Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we are here. Now, we are on our left, we're on our right, but we still wanna jump back on our right. So we're gonna say jump and kick on the left. So from here, kick. Pretty simple, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. Now from here, I want to jump back in. I'm jumping on my left here. So I'm switching. And my right is saying to the front. Let's just do that. So actually, let's do jump, jump. Yeah? While you're up here in level. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. Now, the tricky part is that you need to go down. So basically what you're doing is just bending your left knee here and going down until your right knee touches the floor. Then you want to come back up, yeah? And you're using both your right knee here to push up, but also your left leg here, right? Boom, and also the right. So let's just try that again. From here, 7, 8, we're gonna go kick, jump, and at the same time also go down, 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 and then you wanna turn around, up, and then it basically just repeats. You wanna jump right, left, down, up. And you kinda also twisting your body here when you go down and up, yeah? So twisting your body, using your arms to create momentum to get down and up. Alright guys, let's do the whole thing from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so from the beginning it goes like this. Wow, wow, wow. Lean down here, boom, boom, boom. Here, prep, boom, jump, switch, switch, and jump, whoop. Look to the side, turn around, the new part here, wah, 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 here, lean, jump, down, up, jump, down, up. Alright, let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, wah, 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 lean, down, down, out, up, out, down, prep, swing, up, jump, switch, here, swing, up, jump, right, look, turn around, here, new part, here, inwards, outwards, out, up, up, lean down, make it ready to jump back and right, left, down, up, jump right, left, down, up. Alright, let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, wah, 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 lean, down, down, out, up, out, down, prep, swing, up, jump, switch, here, swing, up, jump, right, look, turn around, here, new part, here, inwards, outwards, out, up, up, lean down, and get ready to jump back and right, left, down, up, jump right, left, down, up. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the slick emote dance from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.